Welcome to our channel. Today we how to disable Zoho CRM web to lead alerts, full guide step by step clearly. To disable Zoho CRM web to lead alerts, start by logging into your Zoho CRM account. Once logged in, navigate to the settings option located in the upper right corner. In the settings menu, scroll down to find the automation section. Click on workflow rules under the automation category. In the Workflow Rules section, look for your Web to Lead Alert rule. Click on the name of the rule to open its settings. Once the rule settings are displayed, locate the Actions section. In the Actions section, identify the alert you wish to disable. Click on the alert action to expand its options. At the bottom of the alert options, you will see a Delete button. Click on the Delete button to remove the alert action. A confirmation dialog will appear, asking if you're sure you want to delete the alert. Confirm the deletion by clicking on Yes. After deleting the alert, return to the list of workflow rules. Find the main workflow rule again, and click on the Save button to finalize your changes. Your Web to Lead alerts will now be disabled. To ensure these changes are effective, test your Web to Lead form submission. If no alerts are received, you have successfully disabled them. Now you can manage your lead notifications as necessary without the automated alerts. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.